Let's take a look at how to use Google Docs. In the case of my account for the College of Charleston, I've installed the Google Drive, and so I'm not sure you'll see this, but you will definitely see once you go to Google Docs or the Google Drive, you'll see a red Create button. So you click on the red Create button to create a document. And up comes an untitled document. There are some options that you should know about. First of all, whenever you begin a new document, you want to click on the name of the document, which is automatically untitled document, and change it to something meaningful. So if your name is Sam Jones, you type Sam Jones, and then the name of the assignment, like Module 1. This is very, very important and an overlooked step in creating a document. By clicking on OK, we now have a document called Sam Jones Module 1. You can enter in your data, whatever it is you want to type, and complete your assignment. When you're done, then you want to share it with me. You go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Share. It reminds you that it's a private document. If you enter the name of someone else, and just for the sake of argument, I'll use my other Google address, I can click there and share it. If you've shared it with me correctly, it'll appear in my box. And I noticed here that I mistyped my name. I put an extra G. I actually put the G in the wrong place. If I can misspell my name, I'm sure you can misspell my name. The problem with misspelling a name is that there's no bounce back from the email system. It doesn't tell you that you did it wrong. It just goes off into a place that no one can ever get to. So be very, very careful when you type an address. If you want to notify me, that's fine. If you don't want to notify me, that's also fine. If you want to notify me with a message, it gives you a box and you can type in saying, here's my assignment. That's really not necessary. When you click Share and Save, it might say, are you sure? Google Apps for the College of Charleston really wants to keep everything on campus, which is kind of silly. And there I'm going to say yes. And now I've shared it with myself under 2 different addresses. That's how you use Google Docs. Click on Done. Now, I've noticed that students will want to create their documents inside of another word processor. So they get to the Google Drive and they go at this a different way. Rather than creating a document, they want to upload a document. And let's say we're going to upload a document right now, something that I already have on file. So I go to Files. In this case, I'm going to go to my Dropbox. Here's an example of a document inside my Dropbox. It's a letter of recommendation that I wrote somebody. So I'm going to open that. And it says that it's uploading. If you look, it says conversion is on. That's because I set it on. The way you set it on is to put a check mark in front of Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Format. It's a good idea to make sure that this box is checked the first time you upload something. If it's not checked, upload it a second time to make sure that the conversion is on. If the conversion is not on, all I get is an attached file of your assignment, which I cannot make comments on. So make sure that you convert uploaded files to Google Docs format. Once you put the check mark there, it will remember that the next time, unless of course you click the confirm settings before each upload. But I recommend that you leave this check mark in front of convert upload files for the rest of the semester at least. So now I've shared it, I've uploaded it, and instead of appearing, I'm going to close this box out there, you can see that the most recent document now is Greer recommendation. And I can click onto that now, and I have to go to the additional step of then sharing it. And I will share it again with myself. This time I'm going to try to spell my name correctly. And now it's shared. And I'm done. So those are two ways to create a document inside of Google Docs.